so that your presence will also be recorded here. Okay, so I would be able to know that who is present and who is not. So Ahmad is present, Abdullah Basha is present, Ahil is present, and I'm present too. Okay. Supplementary angle is about if there is a straight line and we have these angles. So we say that A and B are the angles. So we say that their sum will be of 180 degrees. Is one thing. Now the next one is about vertically opposite angle. Abdullah Basha, you will be telling me. Okay, Abdullah Basha is mic is not working, but you may write the concept of vertically opposite angle in chat box. Vertically opposite angle is what?
Sir, he's saying that they are equal.
They are equal. You're right. So vertically opposite angles are equal. So I'm writing that they are A is equal B and X is equal Y. But remember that these are the opposite angles are equal.
Sir, Safi is
Okay.
also present.
Safi is present. Let me see.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you, Safi? Nice to see you here. Okay. Now,
Fine, sir. Yes.
okay. Then now we're learning about, we have done about vertically opposite angle and we have done about supplementary angle. And what about angle, sum of angle, sum of angles of a triangle. Sum of angle of a triangle is that if we have a triangle and it has an angle of A, B, and C, you can say that A plus B plus C is equal 180 degree. Okay. And what about alternate angle? Alternate. Now there's a concept of parallel line. That if there are two parallel lines, whose angle is represented by arrow and a transversal cut it off. So interior opposite angles are equal. So that A and B are equal. And if there is right angle and right angle, so you can say that X is equal Y. Similarly, there is corresponding angle. The last one which we have done yesterday, corresponding angle. Corresponding angle says about the same parallel line that whenever we have two parallel lines represented by same arrow and one transversal is crossing it, so then we are marked with some of the angles. So I'm saying that if there is one angle here, the bottom with the bottom parallel line on the same side, but the outer exterior angle will be equal. So then A will be equal to B. So we can say that A is equal to B. Similarly, if there is on the other side, there is an interior angle, you can say that X, and this will be equal to the same exterior angle, same side exterior angle with the other parallel line, that will be Y. So we can say that X is equal to Y. Now, if we'll be going further, we can say it that if it is an angle of one top parallel line interior angle, we can name it as P. So then its opposite exterior angle, not opposite, same side exterior angle with the other parallel line will be Q, and they are equal. So I'm using different colors so that you could identify that what is interior and what is exterior of the same side. P is equal Q, and then if we have this angle, then there is an angle that is also R. I'm naming it as R, so that will be equal to S. The same side interior and same side exterior angle, so R is equal S. So corresponding angles are actually, I have to mention it that the corresponding angles are what? Corresponding angles are actually same side interior and exterior angle. But interior with one parallel line, one parallel line. We know that this double line means parallel, and exterior with the other parallel line. Okay. So now, if I'm highlighting this, this is P is one parallel line with one parallel line, and Q with the other parallel line. Here you can see that R is one parallel line, and then S with the other parallel line, exterior. And if there's A, I'm saying A is interior with one parallel line. So the B is exterior with the other parallel line. X is interior with one parallel line. So Y is exterior with the other parallel line. So you can see here, these are the corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are equal. Now we are going to draw some of the angles then. Let me draw some of the angles. And the angle is of, if I'm drawing parallel line and another parallel line, and mentioning it that these are parallel by arrow. And now I'm crossing with a transversal, and this transversal is making some of the angles. So let me draw the name of it. I'm drawing a name, degree,
Sir, we have to note this on the
and there
notebook.
is, yes, you may write down. No, there's no need to write down right just now, because I'll be sharing this PDF file with you. Okay,
Okay.
this whole will be shared with you. You just need to
Okay.
understand, and you will need to participate in it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now there is, I'm naming this as A, and this as B, and this as P. With this color, I'm naming with different colors so that it will be differentiate, that we are using other thing. This is B, and this is P, and the other one is angles. Now we have one angle, and then we have to mark it what the other angles are. So anyone tell me about A? A's value is how much?
Sir, A and Q are supplementary, and P and B are supplementary.
Okay, Q and B are supplementary. You are right. A
Sir,
and A and Q are supplementary. You are right, because
and
they are
sir,
making
A,
B.
A and P is vertically opposite, and B and Q is vertically opposite, and A, B is supplementary, and P and Q is
Yes, A
supplementary.
and P are vertically opposite. Q and B are vertically opposite. And if we'll be looking for the other, so we can see that D is forming here. So it means Q and P is supplementary,
Yes, sir. And
and
A and B is also.
B is also supplementary angle. So there are many supplementary angles. Okay. Now this is about their angles, but what will be the value of A now?
Sir,
Is A
30.
equal to 30? Okay. Why? A is equal to 30 is
Sir,
what?
it is corresponding angle.
Yes, that's great. A is corresponding angle because this is interior with one parallel line,
Okay, sir.
exterior with other parallel lines. So that is corresponding angle. You are perfectly right. Corresponding angle. And as Ahil said, that the angles are supplementary. A and Q are supplementary, huh? So it means A plus B will make up A plus Q will make up 180 degree. But A's value is, we know that A's value
Sir,
found it
B,
as 30 plus Q is equal 180. So 30 plus what will make 180?
sir, 30 plus 150.
Yes, that is 150. You are perfectly right. Is of 150 because 30 plus 150 is 180. So now Q is 150. And why we are writing this A plus Q is 180? Because they are supplementary angle, you know. So they are making supplementary angle. I'm highlighting this with the different color so that it will be uh, clear to you that this is actually this is a concept about supplementary angle that we had done previously, and we'll be writing that this is actually supplementary angle. Okay, now there are some of the worksheets related to that. Should I open the worksheets?
Yes,
Hmm?
sir.
Okay, now we are going to open the worksheet related to that. Uh, angle, angle. Mm, that is a worksheet polygons.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm taking this picture. Now we are taking this picture and we are coming to our file, and then there's a picture. My God, this is a big picture. Let me use. Okay, now this is a picture. Would you tell me the question mark angle? This angle,
Sir, it is 107.
107.
Yes,
How it is?
107 plus
Why?
73 is 180.
That's great. 107 because 107 plus 73 is equal 180.
Sir,
And how
sir, it is 116.
116? Okay, let's check it out. 116, someone says that 116 and one says 107. So let's check it out which one is correct. So make it check what we do because we know that the total is of 180 degree. Yes, the straight line angle is of 180 degree.
Yes.
Yeah. So it means now we'll be taking that 180 degree is the total out of, if we are taking that 107 is right, so we'll be subtracting 107, subtract from it. Okay, then we'll get it means we'll be getting the next number. So 0 minus 7 is not possible. We'll subtract, we'll carry 1 from there and it becomes 7. Writing with other color so that it will be visible for you. Red. Okay, carry 1, so it becomes 10 and this becomes
Sir,
7. So
107 is
10,
correct.
yes, and 7 is there and 0. So this is 73. So it means this is right, 107. And the other way is that if there is 180 is the total and we are subtracting one given angle, 73, we'll get the answer. So let's check it out. If I'm subtracting, so I'm carrying 1 from here, it becomes 7. So there is 10 minus 3 is 7, and 7 minus 7 is 0, and 1. So 107. Okay. So if we'll be subtracting the question which is given to us, we'll get the answer. Okay. So this is how we do. Now for the next one. Next picture is there. That is is. So how will we doing this one? Let's see now. This is a picture. My God, this is a big picture. Okay.
Sir, which angle is this?
Ah, tell me.
Sir, in between there is 10. In between
First
there
of
is
all, tell me which
51.
angle is this? Is it
Sir,
making D?
yes, sir.
And D means what shape?
Sir, supplementary.
Supplementary angle.
Sir, in the question mark answer, there is only 51.
Yeah, supplementary angle means there are many angles, but we'll be adding the rest of the numbers 81 and 38. We'll be
And
adding
51.
these all. So it becomes how much? 9,
129. 129.
129. Oh, sorry. 129.
Sir,
No,
the question mark answer
111.
is
I think 111.
no, sir.
Yes, sir,
Yes.
111.
I'll, you are making me wrong. I'll. Okay. This is 119. Okay.
Sir,
Now,
means 61. 61.
okay. How? Because out of 180, we'll be subtracting 119.
Sir,
Now we'll check it
61.
out. That yes, we'll subtract, we'll carry 1 because 0 minus 7, 9 was not possible. We'll carry and becomes 7
Sir, 71.
and then 1. No, 7 minus 1 is how much?
61.
Sahil is right. And that is the answer of this one. So this is 61.
61.
You're right.
Hello.
Now, I'm giving you one question. Now you have to solve it. Okay? Will you be able to solve this?
Yes, sir, on the copy.
My God, this is a difficult question. Now, this is related to parallel lines. You see, parallel lines question.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, then there is a picture. This is what you see here. I'm making it smaller. Right, idhar aa jao. So now, this is one.
Sir,
Now,
72 degree and 74 degrees are corresponding angle.
now, corresponding angle. Are these angle equal?
No, sir.
They are
No, sir, they are
not
not equal.
equal. So it
Sir,
means these lines are not parallel. So we'll say that A, B, and C, D are not parallel. Why?
Yes, sir.
If they
Because
were
there is
parallel,
no
yeah,
arrows.
if they were parallel, then the corresponding angle must be equal, isn't it?
And there
Yes,
should be arrows.
yes, and there should be arrow. Yes, and the arrows are not given, so it means they are not equal. But at least we can find the value of h. What about h?
sir, H and 74 are supplementary and G and H are alternate.
Hmm, supplementary and G and H are not alternate. Why? Because AB and CD are not parallel line. Alternate angle works
Yes,
in
sir.
parallel lines, and they are not parallel line. So it means we can't find G with the help of H, but we can find G with the help of
72.
72.
Sir,
Yes, you are perfectly
supplementary.
right. So now tell me the value of G and H.
Supplementary.
What is the value of G then?
Sir,
What
supplementary G and 72.
72 and
Yes,
what is
sir.
the no, 72 means 180 minus 72 is how much?
100, 180.
Sir, 108. 108. 102.
108?
Yes, sir,
Sure?
108. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 108.
108. That's great. So we
Yes, sir,
found it.
108.
Hmm. And what about H? So again, we'll be subtracting 74 from
Sir, 106.
Yes, you are
No, sir,
right.
it will be
106.
yes, sir, it will be 106.
106. That's great. You found it. Now let's go to the next one. There is. Uh-huh. Now there is parallel line. You see why this is parallel line?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Sir, it is because they have
these have
arrows.
arrows.
That's arrow. Arrows are there. That's why. So now this is a line, parallel line. Okay.
Sir, the Z
Yes.
and 152 degrees. Z and 152 is vertically opposite angle.
Vertically opposite angles. So that's
Sir,
why it's very
152.
easy. Z is equal 152.
152.
Yes. And what about Y? Highlighting with highlighter.
Sir, 152.
152. Why?
Sir, it is a
Corresponding angle.
alternate angle.
Sir, it is because it is a supplementary
Not
angle.
alternate. Alternate angle is this one. This is alternate. Interior. Alternate angle is interior opposite angle. But what about Y and 152? You're right that Y is equal 152, but the reason behind it as
Alternate.
not alternate. Think about.
Sir,
I'm showing you
interior
the
opposite.
interior opposite. Interior, what is interior opposite? There is no interior opposite. This is not the value of Y. Y is here. Exterior. This is, if you'll
Sir,
say that this
corresponding angle.
corresponding angle. We are saying that this is house. So inside the house, opposite angle is alternate. But one interior and the same side exterior is corresponding angle. So we said that Y is equal to 152 because of corresponding angle. Now you are right. Now should I tell you one another thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another thing is that
Yes,
if
sir, why not?
this is Y, then its opposite side will also be Y, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So
But sir,
then
how?
you are, because
Yes,
you know that
sir.
vertically opposite angles are equal. They are making
Yes, sir,
cross
vertically
lines.
opposite angles are
Yes.
equal.
I'm repeating this now. That see, if this is Y, so its opposite, vertically opposite angle will be equal. So this must be Y then. Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
if this is Y, now this is alternate angle. And Y is equal
Yes,
152
sir.
because of alternate angle. So now we can say that Y is equal to 152 because of
Because of alternate
alter,
angle
alternate angle.
as well as corresponding.
Okay. And from here it is of corresponding angle. From here it is of alternate angles. So you can see here that there are many ways to find the solution. This is not a one way. This is not a single way. Yeah.
अम्मा भूख लग रही है
Now coming to the next. Now there is a question of uh, worksheet. Next question of worksheet. Now they are saying about some of the angle. Let me copy this question and I'll be telling you what does it mean. Because now we need to learn about this one as well. Mhm. This one is here. I'm going to paste it. Okay, this is here. Okay, this is a shape now. Now they are saying something else. You see, the word alphabets are here. U, Y, Z. What mean by U, Y, Z? It means starting from
If we want
U
to tell
and then
the
Y
degree.
and Z. It means what comes between
Hello.
U, Y, and Z. This is an angle. Okay. So
Okay.
this is, we have found it previously that this is also alternate angle of 152. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So it means this could be U, Y, Z will be of 152. So that is 152. You have done it previously. Now, what about W, Y, Z? Now I'm removing this one. And W, Y, Z. Now, what is W, Y, Z? Let me highlight this one. W,
Y,
Y, and
Z.
V. V.
Sir, it's
Sir, 152.
Yes, and this is of Y, and we know that Y is
50.
152. Yes, you're
150.
perfectly right. This is 152 again. Okay,
X,
now
S,
again, next one is,
Z, X,
hmm, next
S.
one
Sir, it's
is
140.
Sir,
S,
SVX.
Z, and X. S, Z,
1.
and X. What about this angle?
140.
Sir,
140?
152.
Yes.
152? Why? Because vertically opposite angle?
Yes.
Yeah, so this is again 152. Okay, then now V,
One.
Y, Z. So let's see.
Sir, 152.
152. Sure.
Yes,
V,
sir.
Y. Oh my God.
Sir, Y and Z are
V,
152. V,
Y,
B.
and
No,
Z.
sir, 150.
Ha ha. This is a technical one. This is a technical one because this is same side interior. One is interior, the other one is also interior. So they are not corresponding to
Oh.
152. Haha. But remember that we found out that this is of 152. We found out, and we are going to find this
152.
one. We are going to find this one. So are they making D shape?
Yes, sir.
So it means this is making supplementary angle. So this angle will be calculated by 180 minus
152.
152. So what would happen?
180 minus
Subtracting,
152.
carry, and
Sir, 28.
yes, you're right, and 0. So we say that this is of 28. So it means now this will be of 28.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now X, Z, and T. X, Z, and T. Now I'm raising the other lines that it will be easy for us to understand. X, Z, and T. Where is X?
Sir,
X, Z, and T. Now, before that, we had done it as 28. Now, what about 28 and this
sir,
angle's
28.
relation? Y,
Sir, I don't think it will be 28.
yes. Okay, then. Okay, now tell me about this angle and upper angle.
Sir, both are supplementary.
Supplementary?
Yes, sir.
Supplementary must be making a D shape. Are they making D shape?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, this
No.
is not supplementary angle.
If this was an angle like here, then these can make D shape. But right now it is not. This is about two parallel line. One angle is one parallel line, other angle is one other parallel line. Yes, you are right. According to you, if you are saying 150 supplementary angle, according to that, you are also right. That why don't we calculate from that one? You are right that this is of, you need to find And then we can find D shape here. So it means 180 minus
Sir, 28.
152.
Sir, 28.
28.
So again, we'll be finding, because this is making supplementary angle. So you are right. This will be of 28. So that's why this is also 28. So this answer is also 28. Yes, that's great. Great what you are doing. That's great. Now coming to next question. Now you are doing a great job. Oh my God, you have done a complete worksheet. My goodness. You are done good, John. See, now the next one. Don't worry. I have other worksheets as well. Don't worry. Don't worry. Work is not finished yet. Yes. uh, See, there are many shapes are here. Okay. Aha. These are find the value of x. This is related to algebra, and I'm not going to algebra because this is not going for it. But we are going to this shape. This shape, you can do it. I'm copying this shape.
Sir,
Yes,
It's very.
it's it's a tough one. What do you think about this shape? It's a tough one, huh?
sir, O and 60 degrees are vertical opposite.
Okay. Now I'm giving you a hint about it. I'm giving you one hint that whenever you find this type of shape, make it like I'm copying one shape here.
Just like this. This
The top
is
one.
so easy.
Is it making supplementary angle?
Oh, yes, sir.
And what about this shape? If I'm copying this shape here,
Yes,
and
sir.
this is another supplementary angle, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir,
it
it is
means
a supplementary
we can,
angle.
yes, we can do it separately. We can solve these shapes separately. So we have done this shape. We have divided this shape into two shapes. At the top one, at the bottom one. So now if we'll be solving separately, so we can find this value, which is here. So how we find this value? So first of all, we'll be adding 30 and 65, huh?
Yes, sir.
So how much it will be then?
Sir, it
Plus
will be
65. 30 plus 65. 30
5 and 3 plus 6
plus
is
65 equals. Sir, 95.
95. And now 180 minus 95 is how much?
180
Because this is supplementary angle, we know it.
minus 95 equals. Sir, 180.
Are you
Oh,
sure?
90.
no,
Check
no,
it
sir,
out.
no.
Check out.
180 minus
Sir, 360.
We'll be
90.
taking carry.
No, no, no.
We'll be
How?
taking carry. This becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. It
Sir,
becomes 7.
85
Sir,
is
85.
Minus 5 is
85.
5. 7
Sir,
So
and
17
85.
don't have more than
Yes, you are
75.
right. This is of 85. Every one of you are right, perfectly right. So now we have done about the top one. Now come to the bottom one. Ah,
85.
bottom one is difficult, like that one is difficult, isn't it? But before going to this, I'm going to the original shape again. If this is 30, 30's line is this one, and 30's another line is this one. Is it making opposite shape angle?
Yes.
So it means this
Yes.
must be 30, vertically opposite
Yes,
angle.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now we have vertically opposite angle, which is of 30, and then we can try the rest of the one. Now, uh, okay, now what's another thing? Before this, going to this one, let me erase this shape. Now I'm drawing another shape. This is a line of this angle, and this is a line, but this is not a continuous line here. That means this angle is not making vertical angle here because there is no extra line here. Huh? So it means it has no vertically opposite angle. So we can't work for vertically opposite angle for that one, 95, 85 degree, because we found out that this is 85. This was 85, we find out, but we found out that this is not possible. And one thing more, we can do it for further, that if we have this angle, then this is making of 90 degree. Yes, it is of vertically opposite angle, so we are making it as 90 degree. So if this is of 90 degree, what about this angle? This one is 60. So how much is this to make it 90? This one you see here is 60 degree. And 60 degrees here, and rest is how much to make it 90 degree, because the total of this angle is of 90 degree. Okay, so what we can do, we can do one thing, that 90 minus 60, as we are doing for supplementary angle, we'll be doing for the 90 degree as well. So how much is that then? Yes, what do you think?
Sir, 30.
30?
Yes.
Check it. Yes, this is 30. So that's why this angle is of 30 degree. Okay. Similarly, this was of 30, as we had done previously at the top, the same 30. So this was 30. So if this is 30 out of 90, if we'll be subtracting 30, how much we'll get? 90 minus 30 is how much? 9 minus 3 is 60. So this is of 60 degree. Like this, we can calculate. So whenever we have complete angle, so we'll watch that. Could we make it half and half? So we'll be able to calculate then easily. Now, coming to the next one. Oh my God, this is complete now. There's no more angles are there, but there is one angle, not the other angle I wanted to show, but one angle I wanted to show you, that this is an angle. Let me zoom it. And this is an angle. Okay. And this will be doing here. What do you think? What the 2x will be? What will be the
Sir,
value of 2x?
Sir, it is an
One,
118.
No,
120, sir.
no, sir.
118 and 120 and what else?
Square.
24.
24. Okay,
Sir,
what else?
sir, we could minus 62 with 180. Then we could get our answer.
Okay, subtract from 180. Okay, then you'll get your
118,
answer.
sir.
118. Okay, and what else? But these all are wrong.
Wrong.
Ah, now, now your turn is there. Should I tell you?
Sir, 80.
Plus
80. Okay. Wrong. What else? Try your guess.
62 multiplied by 2.
62 multiplied by 2. Okay. Going to close 124. Wrong.
124.
124 is wrong. What else?
Sir, 124.
124 is wrong. Should I tell you?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
164.
Yes, sir.
164. 164 is also wrong.
Oh.
What
Sir,
else?
140.
140. Good. 140 is also wrong. Okay.
Sir,
Should I
then what
tell
is
you?
the answer?
Should I tell
Yes,
you
sir,
answer?
please.
Yes, sir. Please, please.
Okay. Now, I'm going to tell you the answer. And are these vertically opposite angle?
Yes, sir.
So vertically
Yes,
opposite
sir.
angles are equal. That's it.
Sir, it is 62
Yes.
degrees.
Yes, sir. All upside are 62 degrees.
So this is 2x is 62. But
Yes,
if
sir.
2x is 52, then what will be the half of it?
Sir,
Sir, 31.
Half of
31.
2x is 1x
31.
and half of
31.
this is 31.
31.
So that's why we can say that x is equal 31.
31.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is your answer. So whenever you say you see double number question, double number variable like this number you have seen here, you are confused about this too? Yes? So
Yes, sir.
don't be confused about this. Just
Sir,
find that
2x.
what's the location is this. So according to location, they are equal. So we'll say that okay, whatever it is, the same is here. Whatever it is, the same is here. So say that 2x is 62. Then we'll do it mathematically. That if 2x is 62, then half of 2x is 1x, and the half of 62
Yes,
is
sir.
31. And 1x means x. So x is 31. And that is our answer.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Got it
can you
now?
explain again?
Okay, yes, I'll be explaining again. Now, listen. Okay. Now, see, this is a picture in which these two are vertically opposite angle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
And
we
they
can
are
say
equal
that
angles.
it means 2x will be equal to 62.
62 degrees.
Yes. And
Yes, sir.
if we know that 2 times x is 62, then half of 2x is 1x.
1x.
Sir,
Then
31.
1x.
similarly, the half of 62 must
31.
be there,
Like
31.
31, sir.
And so it means 1x is 31, but we write 1x as x.
X. Yes.
So x is 31. Okay. So don't be confused
Yes, sir.
about there is 2x, there is 2x, so what we have to do? No. Whatever it is written, we'll be writing directly here. Whatever written on the other side, we'll be writing directly here. And then we'll have
Yes.
our calculation working. Okay. So that's
Yes.
how we do working. Clear? Okay. Now our
Yes.
worksheets are finished. You have completed all the worksheets. You have done all the questions. But I wanted to do, and I must appreciate every one of you that you have done two worksheets at the same time, and this must be a time of appreciation. Well done. Well done. Well done. Everyone. That's great work. Great job. Everyone, you have done a great job. Okay. Now, should I give you some of the questions from my side?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
I'm zooming out the question. Now, I'll be giving you some difficult question. You know about me, I give always difficult question.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now,
We have to do this on the notebook.
you may do it in a notebook, but worksheet you have done in a worksheet, that's it. Okay. Rest of the question I'm will be doing rest of done on a notebook. So I'll be sharing this all the pages in PDF form with you, so you can write it later on. Okay. There's no need to write it just now. And yes. Now this
Yes,
question
sir.
you can do in your notebook. This question number one you can do in your notebook, because now you will be doing your practical work now. Now a transversal is there. Transversal is cutting here, and now we'll see about the values. I'm writing 124, and there is x, and then that is y. Now you need to find this value, this a part, first part, then the second part is there, which there are two parallel lines.
Sir, in the
Sir,
first
should we
one,
write it on the
why are
notebook?
supplement?
Yes, you may write in your notebook.
Sir, in the first one, X and Y are vertically supplementary.
I don't know. You will be doing it,
Ooh.
and then you'll be sharing your answer. I'll be confirming it. Okay.
Okay,
Now
sir.
do it. So now then there's
I know, I
again
know.
transversal is here, and then we have an angle. Then there is is so these two questions I'm giving to you.
The first one answer is
Third one is
sir. The answer of the first one is minus 56.
minus 56. How is it possible? Minus cannot be the answer. Could you see your height would be minus?
Sir, 124
Mhm.
is the answer of y is 124, and 124 minus 180 is
54.
minus 56.
Check out how y is equal 124. What's the reason y is equal to 124?
Sir, X will be 124 because it is vertically opposite if there is no space.
Vertically opposite. Okay, you can say it vertically opposite. You're right. Because one exterior, this is exterior. Sorry, this is exterior. Then other side is also exterior. So opposite exterior angle, you can say it opposite exterior angle is alternate angle. So you can say it. Yes, you are right. And then this is alternate.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Hello.
I said hello.
Yes, I can hear you. Hello? Who said hello?
Sir, it's me,
Sir
Ali.
Ali.
Ali. Ali is there again. Good. Good to see you, Ali. How
Sir,
are you,
what?
Ali? Hmm. We are learning about yesterday's topic. That we are continuing yesterday's topic, which is about parallel
With
lines.
sir,
Mhm.
without me?
Yes, you will also be doing. I'm giving you one question here. Should I give you one question, Ali?
Yes.
Okay, I'm giving you one question for you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Now, yes, yes, Ali.
sir, in the beginning, what did you do?
We had done about parallel line, the same which we have done yesterday. You remember
Yes, sir.
about? So we'll be doing the parallel line. I'm giving you the same question about parallel line, and you are very late. What happened to you?
Sir, I was not feeling well.
Okay, you're not feeling well. I know you're not feeling well. Allah give you health, so you'll be fine, hopefully, inshallah. Okay, don't worry. Now, I'm giving you a question. This is the third question for Ali. There is X is this one, and there is a value of 67. And then what about the value of Y? And what about the value of another one, which is of Z? So could you find the value of X, Y, and Z? Try to find it. First, you find the value of Y, and then find the value of X, and then find Z. Okay? X, Y, and Z you can find out. And rest, oh, sorry, I did not show you. Now, rest of you could see first part and second part. Write down this question, and then we are going to century nuggets. Okay?
Okay.
Now we are going on a century nuggets. Century tech.
Sir, century login.
We don't have century login.
Oh, sir, I forgot to tell you something.
You, what you forgot to tell me something?
Sir, in the home, the English teacher send diary to send a nugget. It has
Uh-huh.
on my mom's phone where I opened the century, sir. That is this is problem with my century. There's a log or I forgot my password and the username.
Okay. Uh, okay.
Sir,
Uh-huh.
do we also have to open Century?
Yes, we have to also
Okay,
open
sir.
it. Or you can work on it here. You'll be answering it, okay?
Sir, sir, I have opened my century.
Sir.
Uh-huh.
Sir, should I show you?
Yes, you can. No worries. I'm first. We are trying solving here. This we have done alternate angles.
Yes, sir.
This we have done alternate angles. And
Sir.
now you have to tell me which one of these are alternate angles.
Please no.
Sir, the first one is the alternate angle.
No, that is
First one
a
is alternate
vertically
angle.
opposite. Sir, no.
First one is alternate angle. Do you think?
No, sir, because it is vertically opposite.
It is vertically opposite.
Yes,
over
it's
there.
vertically opposite.
Yes.
This is okay. Let me see.
Sir, I
There
think it is the fourth.
is there annotation option is here? Let me see it. If there is annotation option. Okay.
Sir, we can't see the fourth.
Okay, just a minute. Let me see if there is an annotation option. Yes, Abdullah Basha, you're right. Second is annotation, annotation, annotation. Going to annotation.
Sir, what is annotation?
Annotation means writing on the board.
Oh,
This is
Sir, we can't see the fourth one.
okay. Now everyone can participate in it. If you want to write on it, you can tell me. What about this angle?
Sir, this is not.
This is not. And what about this angle is called? It is
Sir, vertically opposite.
vertically opposite angle.
Sir, that one is vertically opposite.
Yes. And what about this one? This is alternate angle?
No, sir.
No, this is not an alternate angle.
Sir,
Okay.
I think it is. I think the alternate angle is the fourth one.
Fourth one is the alternate angle, but we can't see it. So let's see now the fourth
Yes,
one.
I think it is the fourth.
And
Yes, sir, I also think it is the fourth one.
okay, let me come out from from here. My God. My God. What's happening? Okay. My God. It's working. Okay. Where to stop annotation? I did annotation. Now I can't stop it. How will I stop it? My God. Hmm, calibrating cursor. Okay. Then okay.
Sir, should we do it by our own self?
सर अब आपको अब मेरी आवाज आ रही है अब
Yes, I can see you. I can hear your voice.
अब काम कर रही है
Yes, I can hear your voice.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now this one is there. Huh? Can hear now. So the fourth one is alternate angle. Yes. Fourth one is the
Yes,
right
sir.
one. Okay. Then submit answer. The answer is correct. My God, your answer is correct. What about this one?
Yes, sir. Sir,
When
second
is
पे
the
alternate.
sir, the first one.
Sir,
alternate
second
angles
one. Sir,
are
wasn't
equal?
second? Wasn't second
Yes,
alternate
sir.
too?
Sir, second one.
Second, always right angle or always lie on a perpendicular line or
No, sir,
always
alternate
some
angles are equal.
equal.
Sir,
Yes,
alternate angles are equal.
equal. Okay, let's check it out.
Yes, sir. It's the first one.
Oh, this is correct. Wow. Should we go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now next question is what about
Sir,
this?
it is alternate angle.
Sir, 40.
Alternate angle? And
40.
what about
40.
40? Sure.
Yes, sir. Confirm.
No, sir, not 40.
No,
Oh,
sir. I don't think it is 40.
Sir, it is not 40.
Sir,
then
it's
what it is?
40. Sir, it's alternate angle.
Alternate angle, and alternate angles are
Always equal.
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 So that's why it is 40.
40. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
let's check it.
It is 40, sir. 40, 40.
40. Let's check it out. It is of correct.
Yes, sir.
Our answer is correct.
Yes.
Wow, we got it now. Now the next question. Find the value of y.
Sir, it is also alternate.
Alternate
Sir,
angle.
Yes,
Sir?
sir.
Sir,
Sir,
92.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Sir, 92.
So 92. So if they are alternate, then obviously this will be 92. Let's check out.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it the answer?
Yes.
This is also correct. You are going 100% now. Okay, then what about this one?
Sir,
Alternate?
Sir, it is also 20.
Also
Sir.
alternate angle, sir.
Huh,
Yes, sir. It's 22. It's also alternate angle. Sir, it's
22.
also 22.
22.
You are right.
We are going, you see, we are going 100% now, huh?
Sir, you should
Again,
start and put up
100%.
with once we return.
Now you see, there are how many questions are remaining? 5 questions are
5.
remaining. Let's see now. We have very less
Sir,
time. We have
Sir,
yes,
alternate angle alternate.
62. 62,
62,
sir.
sir.
62, sir,
62.
because it's again
It's another alternate angle.
Alternate again, alternate angle, and it's 62. So let's see. 62 is correct. Now the next question. Now,
Sir,
what
it
about
is
this?
120. It's 120 because it's corresponding. Yes,
So
sir.
is it of alternate angle?
Sir, corresponding angle.
No, sir.
Corresponding angle and
Yes, sir.
corresponding angle. But the problem with the corresponding angle is that
60 is the answer.
Sir,
They are
ah,
not equal.
Sir,
they
60
are
is the
not
answer.
equal
60 is the
because
answer.
Sir, 60.
Sir, yes, 60 is the answer. 60 is the answer.
Because
before
Yes,
it
sir.
starting with
Because
this, I'm showing this one here. Okay, this one is corresponding angle is here. So this will be
yes,
of
sir.
6
60 degrees,
x.
sir.
So now this
Yes,
is x. So now it will make 180
supplementary. Yes, sir.
supplementary angle.
So the
So
answer will be
supplementary angle
60.
means 180 minus 120 is 60. So the value of f raised
60.
will be 60. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
it means our answer will be of 60.
Yes, sir. Also, because when you will add 60 with 120,
Yes.
it will make 180
Yes,
degrees.
that's
It
great.
will get 180.
Check it out. Oh, that's correct. That is
Sir,
also
why
correct.
didn't we have an assembly?
With the
There's no assembly in the morning. So that's
Sir,
why.
5 minutes are left for the period 2
5 minutes, 5 minutes are there. Go quickly. Now this is again one question.
Sir, we
Uh,
have free exercises.
Sir, it's the
uh,
same thing.
same thing.
Yes,
So what
the
about this
answer
one
is
then?
65.
Yes,
The
sir.
same
Answer
thing.
is
If this is the
65.
same thing,
Corresponding angle.
Sir,
the
65 is
same
the
thing
answer.
means x. So supplementary angle of 180 minus 115.
65.
So 65.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
it is
sir.
of
Yes, sir.
65. So should I write 65 here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I'm
Yes,
writing
sir.
65. Confirm.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I'm submitting answer. My God, this is also correct. Now the next second last question. Second last question is this
Sir,
one.
corresponding.
Sir, 10.
Corres-
No,
No,
Sir,
no,
corres-
sir.
Corresponding angle.
that is corresponding angle.
Corresponding angle.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. It's
Uh,
corresponding
10
angle.
is the answer.
okay, let's see the
Sir?
corresponding angle. Yes.
Sir, 10 should be the answer.
sir,
Then
someone kicked me out from the
this is x. So this is supplementary angle. Don't kick out anyone because we are giving authority. Because
someone kicked me out of this.
okay, don't do this. We are all are the same class students, so don't try this. Okay.
Yes,
Because I
sir.
have everyone's recording that who's doing it, everyone's working is there. So I'll be highlighting. I don't want to highlight the names of those one. Okay, so don't do it. Okay, this is of 170
Sir,
minus
10,
1.
10, 10, 10, 10. Sir,
Yes,
x equals 10.
yes, you are right. So this is 10. Okay, now it is 10.
That's how it is correct.
Correct.
Sir, now we're on the last question.
Last
The
question.
corresponding angle is
Sir,
95
this
into
Sir,
sir,
it's not a
95 into
corresponding angle.
sir,
Corresponding.
95, 95,
Let's check it
Yes,
out.
sir,
85,
95.
180 minus
95.
85
As we had
is
done
95.
previously, that is that if we have this angle, so this will be of y, and this is making 180. So 180 minus 85 is how much?
95.
95.
95.
So 95
7,
will
10,
be the answer.
5, 95. You're right. So the last one is 95, and I'm giving you 95, writing 95 and submitting it.
Yeah.
We have done all.
Well
Yes,
done,
sir,
sir.
it is
Well
correct.
done, well done,
95 percent correct.
well done,
100%
class, well
is
done.
correct.
You have done a great job, every one of
Yay!
you. Excellent. Smile, smile.
Yay!
That's
We
a
are
perfect
with
smile.
the channel. We
Okay.
are the good guys.
So like this, you will be doing your angles. Okay. So
Thank
I
you.
had given you an assignment on century nuggets. You can see here. Okay.
Sir,
So you'll be
give
doing
us,
it.
sir, give us a very,
Mhm.
sir, give us more century nuggets so we can do it.
So this is easy one. So you can try
Oh,
it. Okay.
There should be
right.
money.
Okay.
Right,
So see you next time. Now the class time is over now. So
sir.
you, uh-huh.
Okay, sir.
Sir, from Kamran has
I love
come.
it, sir.
Okay.
Great
Kamran,
timing.
be cooperative.
Great
Okay.
timing.
Love is
Allah Hafiz.
great time and see you, Abdullah Bacha.
Mhm.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Okay.
Ali Abdullah.
Allah Hafiz. Allah
I
Hafiz.
love you
Abdullah,
all.
Allah Hafiz. Allah
Ji,
Hafiz.
Abdullah, come in.
Abdullah coming.
Abdullah, come in the Discord. I'm waiting
आ
for
रहा हूँ आ
you.
रहा हूँ मैं ऑनलाइन हूँ तुम आओ.
सही है, मैं भी आ रहा हूँ.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello.
आ गया.
हम इतने cool हैं.
मैम आ गई
No.
करती हैं.
Good morning, everybody. The cool
Good morning,
dudes.
ma'am. Ma'am, very cool.
All right. All right. How is everybody doing?
Good, ma'am.
All right. All right. So, how many students were there in the previous class?
मैम 9,
Ma'am, I for 10.
10.
10. What period did you have before me?
Ma'am, math.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, math.
2 periods?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So, did sir take the period?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
Ma'am, we studied parallel lines and we did sensory nuggets.
Yes.
that's excellent. That's excellent. Okay. Hanji, so
Ma'am,
how many of
I bought I the Jungle Book.
what?
I buy the Jungle Book novel.
Okay. Safiyullah, where did you get it from? Sony Books?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's available there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's available for everyone. So, we can get it.
Yes. Ma'am,
right,
is it
so-
your class right now?
Yes, Abdullah. That's we have our English class today.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So, G, Fidat, what were we talking about?